So let's just start the timer, okay? And this is my page now. I want to put some groovy colors on here. I'll just choose some pinkish colors, not that pinkish. Maybe something more like, I don't even know what, it's more of a red. I'll lose all my time for choosing a color. There we go. Text is going to be white. It's going to be bold. Claim your spot now. There we go. I want in. That will be my call to action button. And over here, the headline will be would you like to learn from the world's leading experts in online business? We have a special event going on right now where we teach people like you how to get their online
Copy really is the longest part of this whole process,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Okay, I'm pretty happy with this one. I'll delete the logo. I don't want the logo on here. And I will just put in here like that. Okay, so I actually don't want this form. I just want to have a button. Come on.
I'm so amused by Terry's comment. Terry says, "Can you do it slowly? I'm really struggling." Terry, we're actually doing a time challenge right now, so this is not time to get a slow build. We're racing against the clock. And if I were unsportsmanlike, I'd be trying really hard to distract David now, so he takes longer than I did.
Well, you can try.
I can flash all sorts of things on the screen, make faces up in the camera.
I'm pretty sure that would be the most watched video we have on our YouTube channel so far. I want in. I will also do a pop-up.
Whoa, look at you doing a pop-up.
Yeah, what time oh my god, I'm pretty sure it will not be enough. Okay.
I will not do a pop-up.
Okay, and then I will open my Groove Mail. Why not use it? I mean, we have it on the forms we created yesterday. So in case you didn't see how we did that yesterday, we did a test form for a Groovathon. So I'll just get the code, copy it over, and I need to find my build, and here it is. I will get the elements. Okay, I'm done. Let's just see how long it takes me to finish this one. I'm pretty sure I'm not winning any prizes because I want to go in a bit more depth. Here is my form now loading in. Email, first name, last name. I'll just delete the button on here, delete this text, or maybe we can write it's okay. I will not spam you. And there we go. Now I want to connect this button with the pop-up, and I want this one to be opening here. I will publish it on the Groovathon. Page. Here we go. And let's refresh. And we're live. Would you like to learn from the world's leading experts in marketing and online business? We have a special event. You fill out the details. Let's just put Anna Banana in, and then we are transferred over to GrooveFunnels, where we have the option to sign up. Maybe we just need to change that link, but even this is already good. Yeah, if we want, we can change the link over in the form. So the form that we did yesterday, we can just edit it, take the link for the Groovathon, just change it over inside the welcome, no, opt-in settings, inside the success page. Over here, we just save that, and we are all good. That's basically it. So we have that page now live, up and running. So that's basically my build.
Awesome.
And it
How long
looks
did it take?
I really like how it looks. It looks professional. Awesome. So I can see everyone saying you're losing, David. I know.
He went far and away above what I did.
I used a couple of platforms. I used pop-ups and I used GrooveMail, but I had a form created already in GrooveMail. But there we go. Less than 10 minutes, I believe. Even Donna created her own page in less than 10 minutes.